In Shopify, a featured collection refers to a curated selection of products that is highlighted or showcased prominently on your online store. It is a way to draw attention to specific products or product categories that you want to promote or feature to your customers. Here are a few examples of how a featured collection can be used. Seasonal collection. Let's say you have a fashion store, and it's winter season. You can create a featured collection called Winter Essentials that includes winter clothing, accessories, and boots. By featuring this collection on your homepage or a dedicated section, you can attract customers looking for winter-specific products. Bestsellers collection. Showcase your top-selling products in a featured collection called Bestsellers. This collection highlights the products that are most popular among your customers, giving them a quick and easy way to discover your most loved items. New Arrivals collection. If you frequently introduce new products, you can create a featured collection called New Arrivals to showcase the latest additions to your store. This helps customers stay up to date with your newest offerings and encourages them to explore and make purchases. Limited time offers collection. Create a featured collection called Flash Sale or Limited Time Offers to display products that are currently on sale or available for a limited period. This can create a sense of urgency and entice customers to make a purchase before the offer expires. Themed collection. Align your featured collection with a specific theme or event. For example, if you sell home decor items, you could create a featured collection called Cozy Fall Vibes that includes autumn-themed products and warm-tone decor items. Now, we are going to create a New Arrivals collection and showcase in our Shopify store. We will create the New Arrivals collection. From the Shopify admin dashboard, click on the Products tab on the left-hand sidebar. Click on the Collections subtab. Click on the Create Collection button. In the title field, enter New Arrivals as the name of the collection. Optionally, you can add a description for the collection in the Description field. This description will be displayed on the collection page. In our case, we will not enter the descriptions. Under the Collection Type, select Manual as the collection type. This means that you will manually select the products to include in the collection. In the Image section, you can either upload an image for the collection or choose an existing image from your media library. This image will be displayed as the featured image for the collection. In our example, we will not add an image. Click on the Save button. Now, we are going to add products in this collection. Scroll down to the Products section and click on the Browse button. A pop-up window will appear, displaying a list of all your products. You can select the products that you want to include in the New Arrivals collection by clicking on them. Or you can search the products here. For example, we search for t-shirts and select the products. Click on Done button. Then we search for hoodies and select the hoodies we want. Click on Done button. Now, we have included 6 products in the New Arrivals collection. To change the order of the products, you can simply drag and drop them into the desired sequence. After rearranging the products, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Save button to save the changes. Now, we have created our New Arrivals collection. We can move on to showcase the New Arrivals collection in our homepage. From the Shopify admin dashboard, click on the Online Store tab on the left-hand sidebar. In the Current Theme section, click on the Customize button for the craft theme. In the Theme Customization panel, you will see a list of sections on the left-hand sidebar. For the craft theme, there is a default featured collection section. You can edit the section to create the New Arrivals collection. For illustration purpose, I will delete the default featured collection section. Then, click on the Add Section button. Click on the Featured Collection section to open its settings. In the Settings panel, you will have the option to select the collection you want to feature. First of all, we will change the heading of the collection to New Arrivals. you can change the size of heading and select the most suitable size. I will choose the medium size. Next, you can enter the descriptions for the collection, or show the collection description from the admin. For example, you can enter fresh styles just in. You can also select the description style and select the most suitable one. In our example, I will not enter the description to maintain a cleaner layout. Next, select the collection you want to feature from a drop-down menu. In this case, choose the New Arrivals collection to showcase it as the featured collection. Click on Select button. Next, we can choose the layout style for the featured collection section. This can include options like a grid layout, carousel, or list view. Specify the number of products you want to display in the featured collection section. You can choose a specific number that suits your preference. When adding a featured collection in Shopify, the number of columns displayed on the desktop version of your online store depends on the theme you are using. Most themes allow you to choose the number of columns for the featured collection section. Typically, you can set it to display as 1, 2, 3, or 4 columns. For example, if you select 3 columns, it means that 3 products from the featured collection will be displayed in a row on the desktop version of your store. The number of products shown in a row can affect the overall layout and design of your collection section. We can also set to make products full width of the home page, and the products will expand to fill the entire width of the page. Next, we can enable the carousel function, and the products in the collection will be displayed in a sliding or rotating format, allowing multiple products to be showcased within the same space. If the collection has more products than shown, we can enable the View All option. Next, we can select the color scheme of the section. We will elaborate the color scheme more later. The image ratio function allows you to adjust the aspect ratio of the images. Adjust this setting to specify the desired ratio. You can select Adapt to Image, Portrait, or Square. I will select the portrait ratio. In the craft theme in Shopify, the image shape function allows you to choose the shape of the images within a featured collection. Look for an option related to image shape or image style. Choose the desired shape, and the images in the featured collection will be displayed in the selected shape. We will select the default shape. Show second image on hover function allows you to display a different image when a customer hovers over a product in a featured collection. When customers hover over a product, the second image will replace the initial image, providing a dynamic visual experience. You can also show the vendor if you wish. If we have installed a product rating app, we can also show the product rating here. Enable Quick Add Button function allows you to add a button or icon that enables customers to quickly add products to their cart without visiting the product page. If you enable this option, the Quick Add button will be displayed alongside each product in the featured collection. Customers can then click the button to choose the variations and add the product directly to their cart without navigating away from the collection page. Next, we will review the mobile layout. You can choose the number of columns to be shown on the mobile layout. We will select the 2 columns option. Enable Swipe on Mobile function allows customers to swipe through the products in a featured collection on mobile devices. Enable this option and customers will be able to swipe left or right on their mobile devices to navigate through the products in the featured collection, providing a seamless and intuitive browsing experience on mobile. Section padding refers to the spacing or empty space around the content within a featured collection section. It allows you to control the amount of space between the edges of the section and the products displayed within it. By adjusting the section padding, you can customize the spacing to achieve the desired visual balance and layout within the featured collection section. By modifying the section padding, you can create a more visually appealing and balanced presentation of your featured collection. Increasing the padding will create more space around the products, giving them room to breathe and improving the overall aesthetic. On the other hand, decreasing the padding will reduce the space and create a more compact display. Reveal sections on scroll feature in Shopify allows you to create a visually engaging effect where the sections of your featured collection are gradually revealed as the user scrolls down the page. This effect adds a sense of interactivity and enhances the user experience. As users scroll down the page, the sections of your featured collection will gradually appear, creating a visually appealing and dynamic experience. This effect can help draw attention to your products and engage users as they explore your collection. When adding a featured collection in Shopify, you can choose between two style options, standard or card. These styles determine the visual presentation of the collection on your website. The standard style showcases the featured collection in a simple and clean layout. It typically displays the collection's products in a grid format with equal spacing between each item. This style is often used when you want to emphasize the products themselves and provide a straightforward browsing experience for your customers. The card style, on the other hand, presents the featured collection using individual cards for each product. The cards are arranged in a grid or stack, giving a more visually distinct and prominent appearance to each product. This style is useful when you want to highlight the unique characteristics of each item and create a visually appealing collection display. In our example, we will choose the standard style. The page width refers to the horizontal length or width of the section where the collection is displayed on your website. It determines how much space the collection occupies on the page. The best page width for your featured collection depends on various factors, including your theme, the amount of content you want to showcase, and the overall design aesthetic you're aiming for. If you prefer a fixed pixel width for your featured collection, a common range is typically between 1200 pixels to 1600 pixels. This width allows for a spacious and visually appealing layout on larger screens while still accommodating smaller devices. Sale and sold out badges are automatically added to your product images when the price drops, or when the inventory count reaches 0. For example, when we added the t-shirts products, we have made some of them to be in sale when entering the price. You can adjust the position of the sale badges. For example, we can change the position of the sale badge to bottom left, bottom right, top left, and top right. We can also select whether to show the currency codes. The color scheme of the sale badges can also be changed. We have now created the featured collection. Go back to the theme customization menu. Move the featured collection to the position under the hero banner. Click on the Save button to apply the changes to your store. View the changes to see how the featured collection section looks in your theme. That's it. We have created the new arrivals collection and showcase on the homepage.